So, hello guys, welcome to a new video on the channel. It is a Rover video and I hope you will like it. Stay tuned. In the previous video, we cleaned the DPF filter. Like you see here, in a few scenes that I took out of that video, it was a lot of smoke that came out of the exhaust, and I also took it on the road while it was smoking a lot. We also did some maintenance work by replacing the air filter and a new diesel filter also. We made a video about it and here are some pieces of that video also. Now that all the errors were gone, we finally went on the road. And I'm thrilled to say that my Range Rover L322 is finally back in top form. The boost pipe, which had been torn for some time, was the culprit behind its underwhelming performance lately. I made a video about the replacement of that pipe also. So, after having repaired it, the difference is night and day. The engine now revs like new, delivering that smooth, powerful response I remember when I first got the car. It is amazing how much of a change a single part can make. With the boost pipe fixed, the L322 pulls effortless, accelerating with a newfound energy. The lag I had been experiencing is completely gone, and the throttle response feels immediate, which is such a pleasure when you're driving a car this size. The engine feels alive, and every drive now is a joy. Whether I'm just running errands or taking it out on longer trips. Also, after cleaning the DPF filters on both sides, the power of the engine is back and the triangle of doom is gone and stays away. The Range Rover L322 has always been a fantastic vehicle with a blend of luxury, power and off-road capability. But getting it back in this condition reminds me why I love this car so much. The sensation of that big engine roaring to life, the smooth, confident ride, and the sense of control I have behind the wheel. It's everything I want in a vehicle. I couldn't be happier with the repair, and I'm looking forward to many more miles with my Range Rover performing at its best. The boost is back, and so is my excitement to drive it. So guys, this is again a wrap for this video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up. Find us on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.